Attention robot. The project of the day is this assortment of fowl. And we're going to relocate this here chicken coop. And this stuff here, I don't know what happens to it. It's mostly garbage, I think. Order of operations looks to me like figure out what's holding on the top, unscrew the sides in some constructive fashion or destructive fashion, as the case may be. Haul this thing out of here in chunks. You can stand by and watch me do this. This place is a bit of a jungle, but it's also a palace. Anyway, this job. Not terrible though. We were able to get it out of there. There's our egg bounty. And there's the moving people. Here's the situation. Got it in there. Hope that window didn't break.